Hello guys, today we're gonna see that how to download and install the Xilinx software in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before that I would like to show you that many of you might be facing this kind of issues while downloading and installing that ISE design suite for the which is the previous version for the upgraded window. So if you are facing this issue, then you need to download the latest version which is available on the Xilinx.com website, which I am going to show you that how you can download and install the latest version that is more compatible with the new latest Windows 10 and Windows 11. So as you can see, this is the issue which was the PC was facing for the previous version. It got stuck at 91% and couldn't proceed further even for 2 to 3 hours. So it's obvious that it is not compatible with the upgraded Windows. So for that, I'm gonna show you step by step where to visit. So first, if you haven't created account on xilinx.com, so first of all you need to create an account on the Xilinx software for .com, sorry. So in that you need to go to the ISE archive. In this, what previously we were doing was we were installing this version full installer for Windows 7 XP server TAR gzip 6.18 GB now, which is now incompatible with the upgraded version of Windows. So for that you need to go to the latest version, that is Windows 14.7 Windows 10. In this you need to download this first file, that is Windows 10 14.7 TAR gzip 15.52 GB. So you need to download this. It will take some amount of time. I'll show you. I have already downloaded it, so I can show you. It is over here. So I have downloaded it in D drive. So this is the zip file. After downloading you can see, and after successful having downloaded, then you can extract the file, extract all, and after extracting you will see that you will get the folders and files of the zip file got open over here, along with the Xilinx download having been downloaded done. Then you also need to download and install the Oracle VM VirtualBox. That also you can do from here. Download Oracle Virtual VM Box virtual machine. So go to this website virtualbox.org wiki downloads. I will provide these links in the description box. So in this you can click Windows host, and the file will get downloaded. I can show you the downloaded file I already have. So the download is here. So you can see the thing, virtual box is already downloaded over here. So now click on it and install it. The steps are very simple for this installation. You can click next, 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 and finish, and then keep it open as it is. Because my installation is already done, so I am not proceeding further. So I will just click on simply on finish, and I'll close this unnecessary windows. So now after getting the extraction of the Xilinx zip file, click on the setup button. In this folder you will find one setup. Click on here, and you need to run it as an administrator. When you click on the run as administrator, you will see that the ISE design suite is getting open. So this is the setup file. After this you need to click next, and please keep that in mind that the Oracle VirtualBox you need to keep open along with proceeding with the installation of ISE design suite. Otherwise, it may give some error. So you will see this message, and then you need to continue it, and then you need to agree with both the parties, and then next, and then next. As I have already got installed this Xilinx in my C drive, so that's why it is shown in red. If you change the name, then you will change the location, sorry, if you change the location either in D or E drive, then you will not see this installation directory error. So as I have already installed, so I am not proceeding, I'm not clicking on this, and that's why I couldn't see the next button also. So if you are selecting any other location, like example I am selecting data E drive. So now you can see that there is no error. Now you can click on next, and yes, click on yes. After this, you will click on install, and this will take some several of 20 to 25 minutes of time. And then after successful installation, as my installation is already done, I am canceling this because my installation is already done. Yes, I want to cancel it. Okay, so I am canceling this, and I can show you. So guys, here I came back after successful installation of the Xilinx design suite for Windows 11. My system is Windows 11. So now you will click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now here you can see that the virtual new and separate virtual machine is created for ISE 14.7. Click on this. It will take several time of 2-3 minutes to get booting up. As you can see, it is loading and proceeding. Okay, so the windows got open. So the Oracle VM box for ISE design suite got open. So here you can see there is one project navigator. You can click on it. So now the project navigator Xilinx is getting open. So after successful installation, and you can close this notification, it is not required. You can click on OK. So from here, you can click on new project and proceed with your coding part. So for further how to create the codes and how to work on Verilog and all such tutorials I will be making in upcoming videos. So for more, follow up, subscribe, share with your friends.